my IP connector that I just put in here, the IP68. Looks like it didn't seal all the way. I got some water in my waterproof box, and the control box looks like got a little wet. Looks like I might have caught it in time because it was still working. So we'll see what happens. Guess I'm not going in the water anymore today with this thing. I'm gonna let it dry out. Maybe I'll hit another beach. We'll see. Later.